Hey guys, this is the camera test comparison between the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Pixel features a 50 megapixel main camera, while Samsung comes with a 200 megapixel main camera. Looking at the footage, the Pixel immediately looks brighter and punchier with more noticeable colors. Samsung has a slightly more contrasty look. But look closely at the sky and shadows to see which phone handles the dynamic range better. Now, let's switch to the ultra-wide cameras, again recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. The Pixel 11 Pro XL has a 48 megapixel ultra-wide, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra features a 50 megapixel ultra-wide. Here, the Pixel is doing a better job balancing the overall exposure. Samsung looks brighter and more vibrant, but look at the clouds. Some of the highlights are getting washed out, while the Pixel retains more detail in the sky. Now, let's test the stabilization. Both phones are moving through the same scene, so this gives us a good idea of how they handle motion while recording. And honestly, both phones are doing a great job here. The footage looks smooth, and there's no major difference that immediately stands out. So for stabilization, I would call this one very close. But watch the footage carefully and let me know which one looks smoother to you. Now, let's move on to the optical zoom test. Both the Pixel 11 Pro XL and S26 Ultra have a dedicated 5x optical zoom camera. The Pixel gives us a clearer and punchier image in this particular shot. The details look sharp and the colors have more impact. Samsung also produces a very good result, but for this shot, I prefer the Pixel. Next up is the autofocus test. Here, we're looking at how quickly both phones lock onto the subject and how smoothly they transition when the focus changes. The Pixel is giving us more natural-looking colors here. Samsung is slightly brighter with stronger contrast, which makes the image pop a little more. Now, let's take the Pixel 11 Pro XL's ultra-wide camera into a real-world situation. As you can see, the video looks really smooth with good stabilization while moving. The dynamic range is also impressive, keeping a good balance between the highlights and shadows. And I really like the colors here. They're vibrant and punchy without looking too unnatural. Overall, the Pixel is doing a great job with its ultra-wide video. Here are some daylight shots. And don't just look at the sharpness. Pay attention to the colors, dynamic range, shadows, highlights, and overall image processing. The Pixel generally gives us a more natural and balanced look, while Samsung tends to push the brightness, colors, and contrast a little more. Both look impressive, but which style do you prefer? Here are some night shots. This is where we're looking at exposure, highlights, shadows, noise, colors, and fine details. Both phones are doing an impressive job in low light, but they process the scene differently. Pay close attention to the bright lights and darker areas. So, which phone do you think takes the better photos and videos? Let me know your choice in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.